Hi, welcome to Making Shadows Play, our three-part mini-series on shadow puppet workshops. I'm Sue.
And I'm Steve, and we are the Festive Factory. Festive Factory have been performing for the last 30 years, working in all kinds of puppetry.
Body puppets, characters, marionettes, rodionettes, shadows.
We're based in Wood End, but our work has taken us all around the globe, performing and running workshops. On our travels, we've seen how wonderful and different shadow puppets can be. It seems that only in Australia adults think shadow puppetry is child's play.
In fact, if you travel to India, China, Pacific, you'd find that in many of those cultures, shadow puppetry is used to retell important cultural stories, stories that are passed down through the generations. In China, even operas are told through shadow puppets.
In any of those countries, you'd find that shadow puppetry is created in all sorts of ways. Every culture might do it a little differently. But once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a person who had a brilliant idea, different from the next. You see, there's no right way to make shadow puppets, there's only different ways.
So today we're going to show you how we at Festive Factory create shadow puppets and then create shows. Use this as a launch pad. The ultimate aim is for you to make your own freedom and creativity. Design your own puppets, create your own stories, and then share your videos. And in the last video, we'll show you how to use those puppets and screens that you've made, all finally leading to creating a show that everyone will want to watch. So, let's get started.